In today's market research environment, you need more than just surveys to understand the needs of your stakeholders. You need to integrate messy data systems to predict the future with accuracy in near real time. But when you don't know what changes to make and your data isn't giving you the actionable insights you need, working with an end-to-end expert is your next step. That's why organizations around the world turn to KAI Analytics. We're professionals who go beyond market research using the power of data science. With experience across industries and cultures, we help you ask the right questions and provide analytical expertise to get you better results. Our proprietary machine learning models quickly and efficiently sort your qualitative and quantitative data, distilling the real story that's being told. After our team analyzes all aspects of your data, we present you with engaging visualizations, helping you use your data intelligently. We'll help you achieve your goals with services such as qualitative and quantitative analysis, custom data science web apps, infographics and dashboard development, data warehouse and integration, workshops, and much more. All with a keen eye on equity, diversity, and inclusion to ensure all voices are heard and valued. You can feel confident because you know what your data means and how to use it to create a visible path towards a brighter, more impactful future. Connect with us to receive a free roadmap to your success. KAI Analytics. Actionable insights, naturally and effectively.